Moringa Part 1. Moringa, the Tree of Life. This is an educational channel dedicated to learning food, science, health and nutrition knowledge. We are learning about and concerning the best foods that greatly reduce the risk of cancer, heart disease, chronic disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, strokes and many more forms of sickness, disease, illnesses and viruses. We will discuss types of foods that will greatly reduce the risk of many forms of sickness and disease. May fruits, grains, vegetables, herbs and spices to things in the sea, things on land, things that grow on trees, things that are planted in the ground and things raised on a farm. From berries, cherries, plums, grapes, grains and herbs. The health and nutrition of many forms of foods. To the best food to fight coronary artery disease. This study of health and nutrition factors of moringa. In this lesson we will discuss many health benefits. Many vitamins and minerals moringa has to offer. Moringa has many important vitamins and minerals. The leaves have about as much potassium as a banana and about the same amount of vitamin C as an orange. It also has calcium, protein, iron and amino acids which help your body heal and build muscle. It's also packed with antioxidants, substances that can protect cells from damage and may boost your immune system. There's some evidence that some of these antioxidants can also lower blood pressure and reduce fat in the blood and body. Rheumatoid arthritis. Moringa leaf extract may lower fluid swelling, redness and pain. Diabetes. Several early studies show that insulin-like proteins found in moringa may help lower blood sugar. Plant chemicals found in the leaves might help the body process sugar better, and it may affect how the body releases insulin. Cancer. In lab tests, leaf extracts slowed the growth of pancreatic cancer cells and helped chemotherapy work better. Other lab studies show that moringa leaves, bark and roots all have anti-cancer effects that might lead to new drugs. Memory. Some experts think the antioxidants and other health-promoting plant chemicals may heal stress and inflammation in the brain. Research shows that it's generally okay to eat the leaves or young seed pods, and leaf extracts made from powder and water may also be safe. Though you can buy it as a powder, pill, oil or tea, supplements and powders made from moringa aren't regulated by the FDA in the same way that conventional food and drugs are regulated. Don't use it if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. Talk to your doctor before taking moringa or any supplement, especially if you take any medications. Folk medicine has used the leaves, flowers, seeds and roots of this plant for centuries. It's traditionally been used as a remedy for such conditions as diabetes, long-lasting inflammation, bacterial, viral and fungal infections, joint pain, heart health, cancer. Moringa has many important vitamins and minerals. The leaves have about as much potassium as a banana and about the same amount of vitamin C as an orange. It also has calcium, protein, iron and amino acids, which help your body heal and build muscle. It's also packed with antioxidants, substances that can protect cells from damage and may boost your immune system. There's some evidence that some of these antioxidants can also lower blood pressure and reduce fat in the blood and body. Rheumatoid arthritis. Moringa leaf extract may lower fluid swelling, redness and pain. Diabetes. Several early studies show that insulin-like proteins found in moringa may help lower blood sugar. Plant chemicals found in the leaves might help the body process sugar better, and it may affect how the body releases insulin. Cancer. In lab tests, leaf extracts slowed the growth of pancreatic cancer cells and helped chemotherapy work better. Other lab studies show that moringa leaves, bark and roots all have anti-cancer effects that might lead to new drugs. Research shows that it's generally okay to eat the leaves or young seed pods, and leaf extracts made from powder and water may also be safe. But it can be dangerous to eat bark or pulp, especially for pregnant women. Chemicals in the bark may make the uterus contract and lead to a miscarriage. Though you can buy it as a powder, pill, oil or tea, supplements and powders made from moringa aren't regulated by the FDA in the same way that conventional food and drugs are regulated. Don't use it if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. Talk to your doctor before taking moringa or any supplement, especially if you take any medications. Moringa may have several health benefits, such as protecting and nourishing the hair and skin, treating swelling, protecting the liver, treating stomach upset, fighting foodborne bacterial infections and improving eye health. Moringa oleifera is a plant that has been praised for its health benefits for thousands of years. It is very rich in healthy antioxidants and bioactive plant compounds. Almost all parts of the tree are eaten or used as ingredients in traditional herbal medicines. Moringa leaves are an excellent source of many vitamins and minerals. 1 cup of fresh chopped leaves, 21 grams, contains protein, 2 grams, vitamin C, 12% of the RDA, iron, 11% of the RDA, riboflavin B2, 11% of the RDA, vitamin A from beta-carotene, 9% of the RDA, Magnesium 8% of the RDA. However, they are exceptionally rich in vitamin C. 1 cup of fresh sliced pods, 100 grams, contains 157% of your daily requirement. The diet of people in developing nations sometimes lacks vitamins, minerals, and protein. However, there is one downside. Moringa leaves may also contain high levels of anti-nutrients, which can reduce the absorption of minerals and protein. Moringa leaves are rich in many important nutrients, including protein, vitamin B6, vitamin C, riboflavin, and iron. 2. Moringa oleifera is rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that act against free radicals in your body. High levels of free radicals may cause oxidative stress, which is associated with chronic diseases like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Several antioxidant plant compounds have been found in the leaves of Moringa oleifera. One study in women found that taking 1.5 teaspoons, 7 grams of moringa leaf powder every day for 3 months significantly increased blood antioxidant levels. Moringa oleifera is rich in various antioxidants, including quercetin and chlorogenic acid. Moringa leaf powder can increase blood antioxidant levels. In fact, it's the main characteristic of diabetes. One study in 30 women showed that taking 1.5 teaspoons, 7 grams of moringa leaf powder every day for 3 months reduced fasting blood sugar levels by 13.5% on average, 16. Another small study in 6 people with diabetes found that adding 50 grams of moringa leaves to a meal reduced the rise in blood sugar by 21%, 21. In fact, sustained inflammation is linked to many chronic health problems, including heart disease and cancer. Scientists believe that isothiocyanates are the main anti-inflammatory compounds in moringa leaves, pods, and seeds. In animal and test tube studies, Moringa oleifera has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. 5. Moringa can lower cholesterol. Having high cholesterol has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease. These include flax seeds, oats, and almonds. Both animal and human-based studies have shown that Moringa oleifera may have similar cholesterol-lowering effects. Moringa oleifera can lower your cholesterol levels, potentially reducing the risk of heart disease. Moringa leaves are also highly nutritious and should be beneficial for people who are lacking in essential nutrients. 1. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Moringa leaves are rich in vitamins A, C, B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, B3, niacin, B6 and folate. They're also rich in magnesium, iron, calcium, phosphorus and zinc. 1 cup of moringa leaves will contain 2 grams of protein, magnesium, 8% of the RDA, vitamin B6, 19% of the RDA, iron, 11% of the RDA, riboflavin, 11% of the RDA, and vitamin A, 9% of the RDA. 2. Rich in amino acids. Moringa leaves are rich in amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. 18 types of amino acids are found in them, and each of them makes an important contribution to our well-being. 3. Fight inflammation. Inflammation is how a body naturally responds to pain and injury. Moringa leaves are anti-inflammatory due to the presence of isothiocyanates. They have niazimicin that is known to rein in the development of cancer cells. Inflammation is the root cause of many diseases like cancer, arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and many autoimmune diseases. When we suffer an injury or infection, the body suffers increased inflammation. Basically, it is a protective mechanism against trauma. But because of a wrong lifestyle and an unhealthy diet, inflammation can increase in the body. Long-term inflammation leads to chronic health issues. Eating moringa leaves helps to reduce inflammation. 4. Rich in antioxidants. Moringa leaves have antioxidative properties and protect against the damaging effects of free radicals present in the environment. The damage caused by free radicals is responsible for many chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes, heart problems, and Alzheimer's. Moringa leaves are rich in vitamin C and beta-carotene that act against free radicals. They also have quercetin, which is an antioxidant that helps to lower blood pressure. Another antioxidant that is present in moringa leaves is chlorogenic acid, which helps to stabilize blood sugar levels post-meals. A study in women showed that taking 1.5 teaspoons of moringa leaf powder regularly for 3 months had shown a significant increase in blood antioxidant levels. Diabetes, in turn, can cause heart problems and organ damage in the body. Moringa leaves are a perfect resource for that, as they stabilize the blood sugar levels due to the presence of isothiocyanates. These leaves contain high concentrations of vitamin A, which play a vital role in warding off night blindness and maintaining optimal vision. Regular consumption of Moringa oleifera leaves, either as whole leaves or in powdered form, can provide the essential vitamin A needed to support healthy eyes and potentially delay the onset of conditions like cataracts. 6. Lowers cholesterol. Apart from oats, flax seeds, and almonds, Moringa leaves are a dependable remedy against high cholesterol. Cholesterol is the major reason why people suffer from heart diseases, and eating moringa leaves has known to show considerable improvement against high cholesterol levels. Moringa oleifera can lower those levels and protect against the risk of heart disease. Those who have tuberculosis can benefit greatly from moringa leaves as they reduce the negative effects of anti-tubercular drugs. The leaves accelerate the repair of the liver cells. The leaves have a high concentration of polyphenols that protect against oxidative damage to the liver and may even reduce it. They increase the protein levels in the liver. The liver is the site of blood detoxification, fat metabolism, and nutrient absorption, and it can function properly only if the liver enzymes are normal. Moringa leaves stabilize these liver enzymes. In many parts of the world, arsenic contamination is a common problem. Arsenic has found its way in our systems through many food items, particularly rice. Long-term exposure to this element can lead to the development of cancer and heart disease. Research on lab animals has shown that moringa leaves to combat the effects of arsenic toxicity. 9. Good for the stomach. Moringa leaves are beneficial against digestive disorders. Those who suffer from constipation, bloating, gas, gastritis, and ulcerative colitis should add moringa leaves to their diet. The leaves have antibiotic and antimicrobial properties, which make them an ideal remedy against digestive disorders. Even the high amount of B vitamins in the leaves helps in improving digestion. 10. Improves bone health. Moringa leaves are rich sources of calcium and phosphorus. Both of these elements are needed for good bone health. Since moringa leaves have an anti-inflammatory nature, they help combat arthritis and may even heal bones that are damaged. Moringa oleifera also fights against osteoporosis and keeps bones and teeth strong. Moringa leaves are antiseptic and fight off many bacterial infections. They are even beneficial towards wound healing and help to heal bruises, minor cuts, and burns quickly as they reduce the clotting time. Moringa leaves for pregnancy can be beneficial due to their nutrient-rich composition, potentially supporting the health of both the expectant mother and the developing baby. Since they are a rich source of protein, important vitamins, and essential nutrients, consuming moringa leaves is very good for the health of the mother and the baby. 13. Helps in weight management. Moringa leaves increase fat burning in the body. They slim down the person without depleting energy reserves. This keeps the person feeling buoyant and nourished. They reduce cravings for food and boost metabolism. They also lower cholesterol. Due to an abundance of antioxidants and nutrients, moringa leaves improve the health and appearance of skin and hair. They add suppleness to the skin and shine to the hair. The antioxidants present in moringa leaves reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles on the skin. They have about 30 antioxidants present. Not just this, a paste of moringa leaves for hair, when applied to the scalp, reduces dandruff and adds life and bounce to dull, lifeless hair. The leaves also strengthen the hair follicles. Moringa leaves for skin also has proven to be beneficial for acne-prone skin. However, more research is required. This is why moringa leaves are part of many cosmetics. They improve the skin tone and add a glow due to their purifying nature and therapeutic properties. 15. Good for nervous system. Many nervous disorders have been known to show positive results with the moringa leaves' uses. They support brain health and work as neuroenhancers. The high concentration of vitamins E and C combat neural degeneration and help improve brain function. These leaves also work as mood balancers as they stabilize the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and noradrenaline, which are important for memory, mood, and for stimulus response. 16. Good for detoxification. Moringa leaves are natural cleansers and help to detoxify the system. This helps to keep the body, increases immunity against various infections. They also increase the energy levels in the body. Potential downsides. Moringa and its leaves may not be for everyone. While generally considered safe and healthy for most, there are some minor moringa side effects to watch out for. In large doses, the leaves, bark, roots, and moringa fruit may have laxative properties. In pregnant women, the roots, bark, and extract of moringa may cause uterine contractions. Pregnant women should take the advice of their doctors before including moringa leaves or products into their diets. Similarly, breastfeeding women should avoid moringa leaves, since it is unknown whether any of the chemicals or substances present can pass through the milk to the child. In some cases, moringa leaf powder has been found to contain higher than the recommended tolerable amounts of lead. Please source any extracts you use only from reputable companies. Lastly, it is recommended that people on blood thinners should also avoid moringa unless you consult your doctor first. As with all things, when taken in moderation, it can be safe for most people, so always use it with caution. It is very rich in healthy antioxidants and bioactive plant compounds. Moringa oleifera is a fairly larger tree native to North India. Almost all parts of the tree are eaten or used as ingredients in traditional herbal medicines. This especially applies to the leaves and pods, which are commonly eaten in parts of India and Africa. 1 cup of fresh chopped leaves, 21 grams, contains magnesium, 8% of the RDA. Moringa leaves are rich in many important nutrients, including protein, vitamin B6, vitamin C, riboflavin, and iron. Moringa oleifera is rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that act against free radicals in your body. High levels of free radicals may cause oxidative stress, which is associated with chronic diseases like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Several antioxidant plant compounds have been found in the leaves of Moringa oleifera. In addition to vitamin C and beta-carotene, these include quercetin. This powerful antioxidant may help lower blood pressure. Chlorogenic acid. Also found in high amounts in coffee, chlorogenic acid may help moderate blood sugar levels after meals. One study in women found that taking 1.5 teaspoons, 7 grams of moringa leaf powder every day for 3 months significantly increased blood antioxidant levels. Moringa leaf extract may also be used as a food preservative. It increases the shelf life of meat by reducing oxidation. Moringa oleifera is rich in various antioxidants, including quercetin and chlorogenic acid. Moringa leaf powder can increase blood antioxidant levels. High blood sugar can be a serious health problem. It's the main characteristic of diabetes. Over time, high blood sugar levels raise the risk of many serious health problems, including heart disease. For this reason, it's important to keep your blood sugar within healthy limits. Interestingly, several studies have shown that Moringa oleifera may help lower blood sugar levels. Remember, the information in this report could save your life. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share with friends, and press like. Thank you for watching.